Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, I'm gonna let you know why I'm going everything Samsung. But before I do that, check this out. Okay everyone, so I've been wanting to make this video, especially since I picked up the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Also, I haven't made a video on the Galaxy Watch Active 2, but I decided to pick up the Active 2 actually because I ordered the Galaxy S20 Ultra. I had the $235, so I decided to pick up the watch. Last year, I got the Galaxy Buds for getting the Note 10 Plus, I believe. I don't think it was the S10 Plus. I think I got it from the Note 10 Plus. So I think I'm going everything Samsung. And a lot of people may say, why are you going everything Samsung? Because Samsung is actually building a network, a community, a ecosystem, just like Apple. The watch pairs great with the phone pairs great with the Galaxy Buds. They actually work really good. I love how I can open the Galaxy Buds up and it pairs directly with the phone with no problems. Also, the watch, the Active 2 watch has been great. Everything, the notifications I get on there, I like how I can answer phone calls and actually talk on the watch. Yes, I know I need my phone still there, but it actually works really seamlessly. Almost like Apple. Now, with the great feature on the Galaxy S20 Ultra as linked to Windows, I can get everything on my PC and it actually works pretty good. Now you're going to say, Joseph, it's not as good as Apple. I understand that. Samsung does have some room to grow in it, but look at those three devices. They're beautiful. The S20 Ultra is a beast. The Galaxy Buds are, really good. The phone calls could be a little bit better, but it's definitely, they work well. I love listening to music on it. And then with this watch, I'm loving it. The last couple of days I've been having it. Battery life is good. Notifications, I get all of them. And it clears it from the phone. It really works as a great, big, happy family. Let me show you how easy it is when you turn on the Galaxy Buds, how they connect to the phone. You open up your Galaxy Buds. Yes, I have the white or not so white. As you can tell, they are connecting as we speak. I can play music. Let's see. See, I'm at 100% easily. And then if I play, they're coming from the Galaxy Buds. So that was easy. And then as soon as I put it back in, it goes away and it's not connected. How hard is that? That was actually quite easy. Then on with the watch, you get all the notifications. I don't have any now. If my camera will focus. But look at that watch face. It can show you activity. You have apps. Look at that. Stopwatch. It's actually a great little thing. Settings on there if you wanted to go in there. I can do Samsung Pay. I have different sports that I can do. Do you think I go running? No, have y'all seen me? The great thing about the watch too is not too big on the wrist. Look, I don't have the biggest wrist, but it looks actually really good. And it works great with the phone. So if you're going to pick up the Galaxy 20 Ultra and you already have the Buds or the watch, it's going to make a great pairing with your existing Samsung device. And then also with the phone, swipe down. If you go down here, if my camera will focus, you can link to Windows right there. And it works really good with a PC. So they have everything right in front of them. Yes, they do have to work out some kinks. Yes, you can get the Galaxy Buds Plus, which is a better version of the ones I have. Then you really would have a great ecosystem, and they are growing each and every day, and they are trying to get better. So yes, I am switching everything over to Samsung. That's what this video is about. Y'all let me know what y'all thought about it. Do y'all agree with me? Do you disagree? Am I going to switch back to a different company? Y'all let me know in the comments. Have you gone all in on Samsung or are you all in on Apple? Let me know in the comments. Let's keep it friendly though. but let's get a discussion going. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on all 3 of these devices. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.